This is Blackjack, our blue and gold. She just laid her second egg 2 nights ago. And she has found a nest on the tile floor, covered with papers that she's shredded over the past 2 weeks. And she's actually a good mom. Of course, there's going to be no babies because there's no dad. But nonetheless, she's laid the clutch of eggs and she handles them quite gingerly, working on her nesting material. And she'll sit on them for approximately, it's 23 days, at which point we'll take the eggs and dispose of them and clean up the nest. In our opinion, the reason we let the bird sit on the eggs is because if we don't, the bird tends to attempt to lay a full clutch of eggs, therefore depleting the calcium in the bird's body and increasing the likelihood of the bird becoming egg-bound, which is where the egg gets caught in the bird's vent, basically. Let's see those eggs, Black. And she'll let me come into the nest pretty much. She won't be very aggressive towards me. Most birds won't let you do this. Oh, Blackie. Let's see the eggs. Can I see your eggs? Can I see your eggs? Let me see. Come on. There you are. Very nice. That's a good girl. It's okay. All right. Well, that's all about the eggs for now.